Yeah, what toys are you playing with today?
Babies.
Playing with your babies?
Look, it's like a basket.
You got a basket in that baby? You got a baby in the basket. I'm sorry.
The baby is in the basket.
And what are you wearing?
A pretty dress.
You always wear that pretty dress.
Oh, can you just take a bath? Oh. Babies want to take a bath all the time. Okay, done. Ah!
Hot. What happened to the baby?
I don't know.
Did it fall down?
Yeah.
What's the name of that baby?
Caca.
Caca.
Done.
Does the baby have bath toys?
With the duck.
A little duck. What else?
Floaty Peppa Pig.
A floaty Peppa Pig.
And a floaty Peppa Pig.
And another floaty Peppa Pig. What's the name of the dinosaur? It's just dinosaur.
A floaty dinosaur.
What sound does the dinosaur make?
Say, ah.
Ah. Very nice.
Toys make.
All right.
Say,
And who's this other baby right here?
Caca.
But wait, what? Their own name?
Susu.
Zuzu. Okay, that's Zuzu. What do you have in your hand?
A baby.
Well, let's see you give it a bath. You gonna pretend?
What's the blanket?
I think
don't know.
there's a little blanket. Is that a little towel for the baby?
Yeah.
Well, let's see you give this baby a bath.
Again, it's bath.
And what do you do first?
Look, it's like a basket.
It is a basket.
Look. Ah, his head is on the way.
Oh.
Okay. She wants to go away. Oh, she's one's friend.
She wants a friend to go in the shower?
Ah!
Is that the baby's sister?
Yeah.
Oh, lucky babies.
And where do we go?
Where are you going? You love playing with your babies, huh? Eat breakfast? I'm hungry.
Okay. Want pasta?
Yeah, I would like some pasta. Maybe your babies are hungry.
Oh, babies are hungry. Okay.
Are you mixing it up?
Pasta for you?
Are you mixing it up? The pasta? That doesn't look like pasta. That looks like a waffle. That looks like a waffle, not a pasta.
Here you go.
Why, thank you. Yum, 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 yum. All right, that was tasty. Can I get some apple juice with that, please?
Yeah. Maybe a wig.
Oh, a little ice cream. First, some ice cream. All right. How about some juice? I'm thirsty. Can I have some juice?
Okay.
I'm thirsty. Oh, no. You're going to break your kitchen. Where's the little cup?
Coffee?
Wait, where's the cup? I need a cup. Is the cup right there? Is the cup right there? I think it is right there. Can I have some?
This is a
There you
cup.
go. There you go.
Yeah.
Why, thank you. Thank you for inviting me to your kitchen.
You want cup of tea?
I would love a cup of tea. Thank you very much. Be careful, it's hot. You gotta blow on it.
You make spoon.
Oh, for the sugar. You need to put a little bit of sugar in the cup of tea.
Okay. And mix it together.
Mix it together.
There's a sugar right there.
Yes, it is. Pour a little bit of sugar in there. That's good. Too much, not too much.
Too much?
Why, thank you for mixing that. May I have it, please?
I'm mixing.
Oh, you're still mixing. Okay, I'm sorry.
Here.
Why, thank you. Excellent tea.
For me?
You can have some tea. You pour it, and then you mix it. And then, what flavor is your tea? It's just regular tea? Or is it like a flavored tea, like strawberry tea? Or
Sugar.
it's a sugar tea. I don't know if mommy's gonna like you drinking sugar tea.
Only a little bit. Okay?
Only a little bit. Only a little bit.
Okay, for me.
Okay. Oh, what's that sound? Your stove is on. Be careful you don't burn yourself. Oh, and what do you have for the shopping cart there? Is that a lot of food in the shopping cart?
Yeah.
Is that like a... Ooh. You're so pretty. You look like a princess today.
What?
Why are you dressed like a princess? Why are you dressed like a princess? Are you a princess?
I still finished my tea.
You're still finishing your tea. I'm so sorry to interrupt your tea, miss.
I finished my tea.
You finished your tea.
Yeah.
Yay.
Maybe one more time.
One more time. What are you making
How
now?
is this spoon?
How about that spoon? What are you making now?
Juice.
You're mixing juice?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What flavor juice is that?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. That's my favorite juice. Is that your favorite juice?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Do you have any apples in there to show us?
Yeah.
Any fruit in there you want to show us? What fruit do you have in there? Ooh, what fruit is that?
Potato.
Potato. Okay, maybe not a fruit.
Apple.
That's a fruit.
Strawberry.
Strawberries.
Orange.
Oranges.
Apple.
Apples. Ooh.
You want to taste it?
I do want to taste it. Ow, ow. Mmm. Very good.
Grapes. Bananas. Champignons. And bread.
Wow, you have a lot of fruit in there and a lot of food. Okay, well, I have fun pretending in your kitchen and in your bath toy babies over there. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.